Adobe Premiere Pro can look complicated when you first open it, especially for beginners. But once you learn the basic workflow, editing videos becomes much easier and faster. And honestly, you don't need advanced skills to start creating professional-looking content. So in this full beginner's guide, I'll show you the easy way to use Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer and click New Project. Now choose a project name and select a folder where all your editing files will be stored. Before editing, it helps to understand the main sections of Premiere Pro. The most important areas are the timeline, project panel, preview monitor, and tools section. One of the first editing skills you should learn is trimming clips. So you can remove mistakes, shorten scenes, and improve pacing directly on the timeline. After trimming, move the clips around to organize the story or flow of your video. And that's your easy beginner's guide on how to use Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to edit videos, organize projects, and create professional-looking content using Adobe Premiere Pro.